Alright, I'm gonna go over why I didn't take a single trade in the AM session. What is it? 9:30. It's like 10 o'clock right now. So coming to the day, I did want to be bullish because we were displacing out of this 4 hour gap, and we got we didn't really get a change in state. I mean, I guess you can count this right here. And I wanted to see these 15-minute gaps hold, and we just started displacing lower at open. And as you can see, we formed this 5-minute gap, right? And my first potential trade I wanted was longs. I actually have a video, but like, I think it was like something like this. It was, oh yeah, it was longs here up to like, I think EQ of this range. So wherever EQ is, I think it's like around, I mean, the higher part. My stops were here, and this is it. This is what I wanted, but this shit just started displacing, and we kind of just been moving sideways. We moved up into this 5-minute gap. I wanted shorts, but didn't really see anything I liked. And then we kind of just been moving sideways, to be honest. Like, we've been delivering to internal, but we haven't been delivering to, like, in my opinion, draw liquidities. Like, we immediately took out this low, and then we kind of just like tapped this 5-minute gap, took out this internal low, came back up. Now we're pushing back down. It's like kind of just chopping. And yeah, that's really it. I don't really see anything I liked. Oh, I am on one new account because I blew the other three, but we're locked in. We're up 800 on this. Trying to pass this. Hopefully this week. We'll see. But yeah, I'm probably gonna see if there's anything PM session because I gotta go to class soon. All right, peace.
This is how I made $10 today trading NQ. I did say in the AM session, I think I made a video recap. I'll probably combine these two. That I wanted to wait because if you look at the AM, like we just dumped off and hold on, let me go on the 5-minute. On the AM, look at this shit. Holy sideways. And then so this is what I was looking at coming the PM. So coming the PM, right? I took an L actually. Let me see if I can find that. It was kind of a dumb trade to be honest. I think I took a short around here, and the thing is I told myself I'm like, all right, I want to wait for this 4 hour gap to close, and maybe I can target some sort of intermediate low in this range, maybe EQ of this range. But I was like, all right, I should and I also combined that with this bearish SMT and this 4 hour range being formed. But I should have, which I did for the second trade, is wait to see how this 4 hour candle in this gap opens and holds, and that's what I saw. So then I see that this is kind of where I get caught in this short. I went to short here, which is kind of dumb. Shouldn't have shorted the bottom, but I see us resweep all of these lows. Do we put in an SMT? Yeah, we have this bullish SMT actually that we put in. So confirming some extra manipulation, and you can see just starting to displace higher and higher. Originally I wanted to take longs off this 5-minute, but I didn't get the entry, and we displaced out of that. And then we had this 5-minute gap, just a bunch of breakaway gaps, which has been happening recently. And then finally right now, I just see this like just basic uptrend, just like respecting bullish P rays, disrespecting bearish P rays. We had this 5-minute gap that we got close to, or this is actually the creation of it. We got close to it and then never tapped it. And then right now, right, I wanted to see, because this was like the big high that I was looking at, and we came in and just pushed right through this high, formed this gap. So I wanted to see this gap hold, and it did. So I entered on the top of this gap and kind of just chopped around. We got a mini resweep of this internal low, and I wanted to enter another mini at the top of this inverse gap, but never ended up tapping it. And then I did take profits early because this was my break even, and I was only managing one mini, but we tapped the like internal high that I was aiming for on NQ. We tapped it on ES, and we don't really have any other like higher time frame targets, so I don't want to let it in internal SMT at my drawn liquidity just reverse price back. So I TB'd at this high, kind of just a break even day. Yeah, this PM had very good price action. I was just, I wish I would have got in on this. But look at this. I literally would have entered long right here if we got this change, but we closed right below. And I was waiting for this change, and it just ran. It literally ran. How many points? We're up 21 plus 35. 50 points right now. It ran so hard. And yeah, that's basically it. So that was my PM session. That was Tuesday. So this account, we're up 824. We have 3 winning days so far. This is basically a break-even day. You can see I took this $215 loss right here. This was, don't even worry about this. That's absurd. But yeah, I want to pass this account. My thing is my strat on passing accounts now is just so much more aggressive. Like I want to just get out of the account. Like the opportunity cost of me staying in an account is just not worth it. Like there's no point. This is about to hit full TV. There's no point in me sitting in these accounts that cost $50 a month to do, or it's just a waste of time. I could be either passing or failing them as long as you have like an external source of income, which I do. So that's why I'm just trying to get through these accounts super quick, just get funded, get that payout, and use that payout to get more accounts, and then just that's how it starts. Get max allo, get as much allocation, and that's where I'll take down my risk a lot. Like I'll probably risk 5 micros, and then once I build a big enough buffer, then I'm gonna risk probably 1 mini or 10 micros per trade, and then yeah, just have some steady income, and that's really it. But that's my trade recap, my sort of strat going into trying to just lock in and succeed. But that's really it.